groundbreakers. Fuck it, we crown shakers. Moved us out the margin with writing, that's how we found paper. Hustling nature since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been the earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon, don't think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses, my nigga, I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace, what would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talking through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and minus the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet and mutations. While all the weak shit get the highest of the praises. Man, the shit is messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
Let's take this show on the road. Same shit, different day. I'll be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, hop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job knows boss be working my nerves. Clock on that phone, do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls, the world is ours, so run it up. fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Take this show on the road.
Alright, Kinsley, have a great day. Be great, do great, make great choices. Be a leader and not a follower. Make sure you take your time on your work, okay? Make sure you're listening and reading, listening to comprehend, not just to get through it, okay?
Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going on?
Today is 100 days of school. You're supposed to dress like an old lady. Or did that already pass? Oh shoot, why you ain't reminding me? Alright, give me a kiss. Love you. Have a great day, okay? Make great choices. You didn't remind me, bro.
Sorry.
Bye. Kalani says bye.
These are dream moves. This is someone else. I'm not myself. No, no. Cause these are dream moves. This is someone else. I'm not myself. No, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could lie of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate. She is on a roll, she is on a roll. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream moves. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream moves. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter.